Okay, we should remove the turn lights all around. As you can see, there's rust all over the place. So we're gonna take care of the rust, because this is not good, and make sure that everything is okay. Alright, and then we're gonna find new screws, not the one that are rust, to make sure that everything looks new again. So we're gonna do some housekeeping, some cleaning, some sanding, some purchasing, just to make sure that everything is perfect. So I will continue later when this is done. We just removed the turn signal lights and find out that none of them were connected, meaning we have to replace them. And in order to replace them, I have to get inside and look into this area here that is giving me a hard time, because there's only one wire available and I need to get the second one out if I'm going to be able to fix this. So we just remove the lights. The charging battery process has not gone as expected. I tried it twice and it did not get charged. So at this stage, all I can do is go and ask for Jeff to come and see how is it that he's gonna help me. This is another part that is out and we're not using anymore.